Bringing art into Lincoln, it's really nice to see the city reinvented in a way that brings something new to it.
You're seeing all the landmarks like you've never seen them before. There's something for everyone.
I like that it's brought the community together, actually. I've really enjoyed it.
It's fun and you can gather together with your friends and family.
It's been really great fun and it's been just so interactive with the kids. It's been fabulous evening.
Art in the city. I would be fully in encouragement of having anything like this in the future.
Lincoln Lights has been illuminating.
Absolutely awesome.
Inspiring.
Spectacular!